Hi everyone, welcome to this new video lecture of AutoCAD. In this lecture we will discuss about the isometric view of a truncated solid. So the question given here, draw the isometric projection of a frustum of a hexagonal pyramid of base 40 mm, top side is given 25 mm and height is given 70 mm. The frustum rests on the base on the HP. That means the frustum axis is perpendicular to the horizontal plane. So we need to draw this frustum on the AutoCAD. Let's start in the AutoCAD. So I'll go for the MB setup, and before going to just keep this one in the Y layer mode, and this is MB setup and paper space no, unit metric type M, scale factor 1, and this is 420 and this is 297. Now I have created, and here we can draw one reference line. Now we need to draw, as I told you, we need to draw some hexagon. So I'll select the polygon here, number of sides 6, specify the edge, and one endpoint we need to select. So this is base 40 is there, so I can draw like this. So what I'll do, I just want to enclose this one in a you can say rectangular box. So I'll draw one rectangular box to this one, and just I'll draw arbitrary some lines here. Okay, now these lines, what I'll do, I'll just join to this one, to all this midpoint of this, or you can say to the midpoint of the line, or to the tangent of that line. So yeah, these are the things I can directly join to this one. And finally what I'll do, I'll just trim it. Okay, and directly I can go for trimming, and yeah, now this is completed. Next, similarly one more hexagon also we need to draw. So I'll go for again polygon and the number of sides 6, yeah, enter, and select the edge, and now give one point here, and the base side is 25. Similarly again I need to close this one in a rectangular box. So I'll just simply go for the line, and I'll just draw one arbitrary line around the box, this hexagon. So and finally just I'll try to join this line in the hexagon itself. Yeah, just connect this one to the midpoint of this. Now again we'll go for the trim, and this is one, this is, yeah, completed. Now next, what we need to do, we need to just measure the dimension of all these things. So what we'll go for the linear dimension. First, to measure the total dimension, how much? 80 is there. What about the height? Let height measure it. This is in the midpoint, so no need to measure. So this one we need to measure. This is 20, so other side will be also 20. Similarly, this bottom one, and this is 43. This is how much? 50. And let's see this one, how much is there? 13. So this is 13, this is 13 will be there. So we have completed our base part and top part of hexagon. Now these things need to be drawn in the isometrically, because you need to draw the frustum in the isometric. So first what I'll do, I'll just change my cursor to isometric view. Now it is in ortho mode, so I can directly select by going here, isometric drafting already selected, so that's why it came here in this bottom. So I can select iso top. So here we just need to click, so that it will come here. Otherwise we can go for O-snap, enter, snap grid, and change it to isometric view. Okay, now here I need to draw. So what I'll do, I just select the line, and I'll just draw how much it is, 50, and this is no, we'll go for in other way. This is 13 is there, 13, enter, and this is next, how much will be there? 13, 26, this is 25, 24 will be there, 24, and again 13, and this is 43, again this side 13, again this side 24, again 13, again here it is 43, enter. Now close it. Similarly one more hexagon we need to draw. So I'll select another one line here. I just can draw anywhere with a point. This is how much is there? 80, I hope. No, 80 won't take. Again we'll go for 20, again 40, again 20, then this is 80 completed, this is 69, then again 20, enter, again 40, enter, again 20, enter, again just here how much? 69, close it. Now we'll give some point on this, all these locations, whatever we joined here, endpoint, and this is endpoint, and similarly here also one endpoint, and here also one endpoint, and midpoint also you can give it directly, you can join that one. Okay, similarly here also endpoint will be there, yeah, and this side also one more endpoint, midpoint, this is, yeah, completed. Now we need to join all this in the points. So what I'll do, I'll just change this, I'll go for the increase in thickness, I'll select the line. Okay, just to see, very easy to complete this. Just join all these points whatever we identified the point here. We can join, we just join all these points. Okay, this is the base part. Similarly this is our top hexagon. Yeah, completed. Now here the frustum is height of how much is there, 80. So to identify the midpoint of this, what I'll do, I'll just join opposite corner points. Okay, so that will get the midpoint of this. Yeah, now from here also axis height is how much. So now see, this axis height is not coming vertically upward, so I'll click on the F5 so that it will come up 70. Okay, now completed. Now the next part is this one. I'll just select and I'll just move it, or I'll copy it, otherwise copy it. Okay, center point is not able to, no, it is not coming, center point is not coming, otherwise we'll go for move. Let's select this, enter, and the midpoint is not able to identify, that is a difficulty. Otherwise then we have to go for same, like we need to identify the midpoint of this from here to here. Same thing it will become, now same point will come here. Otherwise then we'll go for, now copy this, enter, then select this midpoint and just need to keep it here. Okay, now these things now not required, this, all this, now we can delete it. Okay, delete this. Now just we need to join all these corner points. Okay, so I'll just select this, just to join all the corner points, we'll get the frustum of the hexagonal pyramid, and this one up to here, and this axis we can give as a dotted line, and that to be yeah, other inside this all these things will be thin line and dotted line. So we'll go for line types, go for load, and select center line. One center line need to be selected, another one dash line need to be selected. So select the dash line and OK it. Now these things need to be given as the center one. I will select the center, and inside part of this, like this line, and this, all these lines will be not visible to the front side. So this thing need to be given as a dash line. Okay, so this is the answer, you can see. Yeah, now see, inside these are the lines are there which will be not visible for us, so that will be given as a dotted line, and other things line will be as usual, thick line will be there. And similarly we can give the all the text here, and as well as the dimension also we can measure it. So dimension, just change it. Okay, so this is 80. Similarly this one here to here is 69, and axis height is from here to here, it is there, so that should come outside and it will be given as this one. Now here this one edge is how much, 40, and another edge in the top, that is, no, Control Z, again enter. So this one will be Control Z. Dimension need to be measured. Okay, this one we have drawn in the isometrically, so that's why it is not coming here. Okay, otherwise same edge will be there. Now again one more thing is text. We need to give the text of all the points. So again just what I'll do here, I'll start from here. Text, just you enter here and give some distance, angle 0. Now you can start it from here. Is here A, and this is B, and this is C, and this is D point, and these are the points we can give 1, and this is 2, this is 3, and here 4, and this is 5, this is 6. So A, B, C, D, and 6 points. Similarly, here also we can give the points like after 6 given. So here we'll start from 7, or we can start 1 dash also we can give it here. It is up to us, no issue. So 7, 8, and this is 9, this is 10, and this is 11, and this is 12, and here it is O, and we can mark it as a O dash. Okay, so this is one of the text, and here also we can give some text that is not important, and angle if you want to measure, we can give the angle of this angle and this angle. Similarly this side also, angle also if you want to give, we can mark it here. So I hope you understood how to draw the frustum from a hexagonal pyramid in the isometrical view. So if you are having any kind of query and doubt on this, you can give a comment on the comment box. Thank you all.